Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. I come on for a few moments to just give you some insight on custody cases, dockets, not only concerning family court law, but also concerning some family court law matters that can be heard in Supreme Court, which is a higher up court than family court. So I don't know if you're fighting for custody, if you need this information for somebody else, or if you're going through a family court battle yourself. If you are going for a family court battle, there's several types of different custody cases. There's so many petitions that you can file under. So I just give you a few moments. I am a single father of custody of 4 children, um, 1 son and three daughters. And I enjoy every moment of it. I enjoy every milestone of their life. I enjoy every cry, every smile, diaper changes, field day, school meetings, school conferences, picture day, the complaints about their school, the A's on their test, the B's on their test, the field trips, the chaperone. Raising children, it should be something special, and you should have a passion to do it. Just from them coming off the bus from school saying, "Daddy, Daddy, Daddy," as a single father who has custody of 4 children, that brightens up my day. That put a joyful tear in my eye, because some parents are not able to see their children for whatever reason. Some parents just don't want to see their children, don't want custody, don't want nothing to do with children. They have children, but don't want nothing to do with children. And some people mentally cannot take care of children. Some people have drug problems, have mental problems, have both mental and drug problems, and they're not affordable to have that opportunity to take care of their own children. And we have some parents and some individuals who will foster children. And we do have some individuals who don't want to foster children but do take care of children. So I just want to give you a few moments of my time. Family court handles a wide range of cases related to family law, including child custody and visitation, paternity, child support, and domestic violence. They also address issues like adoption, guardianship, neglect, and abuse, and juvenile delinquent. Custody and visitation disputes are a sufficient portion of a family court case. And you can put a petition in for anything. That don't mean you're going to win the case. Um, the county may have interest in the case. They may not have interest in the case. Type of family court cases: custody and visitation. These cases involve determine who will have custody of a child and outline visitation and schedule. Paternity. Family court establishes paternity, which is the legal recognition of a father relationship to a child. Child support. These cases determine the amount of financial support a parent is required to provide for a child. Spouses support, also known as alimony. Spouse support can be awarded in divorce or separation cases. Domestic violence. Family court handles cases involving order of protections and restraining orders to prevent domestic violence. Child abuse and neglect. Family court intervenes when children are at risk due to neglect or abuse. Adoption. Family court oversees the process of legally adopting a child. Guardianship. When a child is no longer living with their parents, family court may appoint a guardian. Juvenile delinquent. Family court addresses cases where minors are accused of illegal behavior. Person in need of supervision, also known as PINS, PINS. Family court handles cases involving minors who are deemed to be in need of supervision by the courts. Last one, which is foster care. Family court may make decisions regarding the placement of the child in foster care. I hope I gave you some information on tonight, this evening. You heard about the several cases, and I'll say it to you again, the petitions that you can file under any family court law or any family court case, whether it's family court or the family court case is moved to Supreme Court. These are the petitions that you can file: custody and visitation, paternity, child support, spouse support, domestic violence, child abuse and neglect, adoption, guardianship, juvenile delinquent, persons in needs of supervision, also known as PINS, foster care. One thing I have not read to you is pretty much educational law with family court. When a child is missing a sufficient amount of time out of school, whether it's an education facility between grades of K to 12th grade, well, you can file a petition for education neglect, and another one is medical neglect, when a child has not gone to the doctors, or they also have special services like OT and PT, physical therapy, speech and language, and they're not going, or the parents not taking them. You can file a medical neglect on them. So those are the two ones I left out. And I hope this gave you some insight, some information. If you're a father, if you're a mother, you're looking to see your children, or you're looking for custody, or if you're guardianship, or if you want to do kinship. Another one is kinship. You're kin to the child, but it's under guardianship as well. Every state is different. So it all depends on a lot of factors when you go for these petitions, especially if you're a non-relative. If you're relatives, that's even better. If you're a parent of a child, that's even way better. If you're a relative, that's better. If you're a non-relative, then you got to work. So I just thank you for listening. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always put down a comment. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're more than welcome to do that. I come on and talk about a lot of stuff. There are some period of times where for about a month, 2 or 3 months, I don't come on and say much. Or if I do come on at all, I'll have like a couple of videos at a time. And I come on to encourage you. I come on to empower you. Again, if you want to leave a comment in one of my videos, you can. If you want me to talk about a certain video, you're more than welcome. Family court law, I think, is needed in every state, and I believe it should be federal. But for whatever reason, it's through state lines. But if you're going through a family court battle, I'm praying for you. If you haven't seen your kids because of the county or state took them from you, I'm praying for you. I'm a big advocate on bringing families back together again. And if I can empower you, please reach out to me. God bless you and be encouraged.